we sold our other house and we're like, okay, we're going to live tiny, so we want everything to be perfect.
Hey y'all, check out, this is 30 square meter tiny house on wheels. It's built mostly from oak. Here in the front you have a storage with washing machine and the boiler, and there you see a door that goes into the bathroom that you can put the clothes inside to do laundry. Here we have a huge terrace, and we're in Belgium in very nice green area. Here we have a hot tub outside, and if you don't want to make fire, there is a bathtub. It has huge French doors that are 3 meters and opening all the way outside, and the same windows there in the front. Here is their owners. And this is a huge storage that slides all the way out. The heating source is fireplace, and all the kitchen countertop is from oak. Lots of storage. Behind these doors is a bathroom with composting toilet, and the sink here is self-made from clay, and here is actually carved from stone. And here is that door that you can put your laundry inside, and has a shower made from copper. And here is a loft. The stairs brings you up to queen size bed with a skylight and lots of storage. Their wardrobes coming all the way out.
When you go living tiny, you're gonna live differently. So the hardest part is actually the big cleanup when you move. But then actually when you're doing that, you realize like I have this closet here full of shit. And you don't use it. You don't use it. You don't use it, you don't do nothing with it, or it's like just like stuff and or stuff you used to do something with it. So we actually threw everything away, and now you actually only have the stuff you use. I have the feeling I have more space here than in our last house.
And how big was your house?
90 square foot, 90 square meters.
Yeah, so 3 times.
Yeah, 3 times bigger.